Hello, this is Ryan with the Linkasoarus training team, and in this video we are going to share how to post to Facebook stories. So at the top of the screen, you're going to click Add Post. But it's going to give you two options. And depending on when you're watching this, you might have realized watching another tutorial that it would default to the Facebook post screen, which looks like this. Facebook Stories right now gives you the options. So you have the option of selecting a regular Facebook post, which will show up on a Facebook feed and includes everything from a Facebook post as far as the location signature and everything that automatically is included with that. But when posting to Facebook stories, you are limited to one option. And that is one image or one video. And so your video requirements or your image requirements are noted here. And if these look a little bit different by the time you're watching this, it's because we are always trying to stay up to date here at Linkasoarus with Facebook's features. And so they might adjust, Facebook might adjust the different formats, the different resolutions, the different video requirements, the different types of things that can be included in a Facebook story. So if this looks a little bit different, that is the reason why. You have two options here. You can either drag and drop files or you can browse your computer. So for this fun example, we are going to grab a Domino's Pizza promotional video. And we're going to drag it and drop it right here. And so what will happen is you'll see the green bar load, and then the video will pop up over here on the right in this makeshift kind of cell phone design. You have the option of clicking the screen and watching the video and the audio associated with it. Again, referencing your video requirements here for length of time and aspect ratio. Now, to change things a little bit, we're going to try to load a different type of video. And if the video doesn't meet the resolution requirements, it will give you this sort of red arrow down here at the bottom and let you know you need to change it. So we're going to go back to this Squid Game video, reload it. And this is good. And you'll also notice over here on the bottom right-hand corner, the green next button will be illuminated, allowing you to advance to the next screen. On this screen, this is where you would select all of your locations that are participating in receiving this Facebook story. Scroll down, hit next, and then it will populate over here on the screen, and then you would just click submit. Now, after you submit, what will happen is the Facebook story will get sent to your calendar. And so in this example, we're going to come down here and open up the day of this post, and you would see one of two things. So in this example, we were attempting to post this to 85 Facebook stories, and if everything went through, it will say with errors 0. If by chance you submit a Facebook story and there is an error, and this can sometimes happen when Facebook is reviewing content, or it could be something related to the specific location. But if by chance you have an error message here, which says with errors 2, this lets you know that there are 2 locations that this story could not be posted to. And then you can come up here to your notifications, go to view all notifications. So then under notifications and then under Facebook, you would look for something that says an error has occurred. And then you can go to the details over on the far right, and it will share with you what might be going on as to the reason why. If this option gives you a try again button, then you would hit try again, and it will initiate attempting to resubmit, republish that Facebook story to that Facebook page. And once it is successful, you would get a notification here, again, under notifications, under Facebook, where it says your story has been successfully added to whatever your location name is. If you ever have any questions about posting to Facebook stories or any other features regarding your Linkasoarus account, you can always scroll down to the bottom right and click help, and a Linkasoarus team member will be with you ASAP. Thanks, and as always, link and soar with us.